We're on my farm in beautiful eastern Washington in mid-October, and we're standing in my perennial bed where I also grow some tender annuals. We're here to look at cover crop. So cover crop is something that you grow in your garden that isn't necessarily for food, but it is definitely beneficial for your soil. So you're basically growing a plant to build your soil and suppress your weeds. So right here, I have a cover crop called Phacelia. It's this green ferny plant that's down here low on the ground. Phacelia is beautiful and it flowers these gorgeous little purple flowers, which pollinators absolutely love. But why it's good for my soil is it's fast growing. It covers the soil completely, which helps suppress weeds because it doesn't allow the weed seed to germinate because it germinates first, which is awesome. Anything that is out there that is a passive way that cuts back on the amount of hand weeding or even weeding with a tool that I have to do, I am all for it. If I decide, oh, I don't really want Phacelia here, I'm ready to plant my next crop here, I can just mow it down and then plant right into it and it'll be fine. Growing a cover crop isn't complicated, so don't let it intimidate you. It's a fun thing to try in the garden, and if you don't like it, you mowed it down. You don't have to do it again, but your soil will be beautiful, so give it a try.